Okay, well, we have an unboxing today. First impression. This is another fine example from my friends at S&R Knives in Etobicoke. K-bar. This sorry, bad hands. Becker BK-16. This is US made. Fixed blade. Very nice. Decent looking edge out of the box. I'll need to clean that up. I'm a little picky about that. But there we have it. Full tang. Right to a nice pommel. But everything I've heard about it so far is true. Nice companion fixed blade. I'd carry this on my pack along with say a bigger SRK, that sort, for batoning wood. But this is a good weight, hefty, very nicely formed handle. Feels good in the hand. It's definitely not going anywhere. I got the Cerakote finish only because I'm not a real fan of shiny bush knives. Full saber grind on this, which is quite nice all the way up. It's got nice and thin right behind the edge for cutting. That jimping works out really well. Locks right in there in the hand. Reverse still feels really nice. Fit and finish is what I would ascribe to a K-bar. Everything seems to be what and where it should. Okay. Now, unexpectedly, I did not realize that it came with a second set of scales, with some coyote scales. So that is an interesting bonus. Now, the sheath. I will have to get back to you on this. I heard a lot of negative things from fellas I know and reviews that I saw online about this sheath, because everybody is so into Kydex right now. However, I'm not that guy. That's lined. I am kind of old school when it comes to my sheath. I have a couple of really great Kydex units. This is Kydex lined, so it's a nice, usable, tough well stitched nylon MOLLE compatible right out of the box. K-bar sheath. So quick on the belt or on the pack. So the MOLLE compatibility is great for me because that's really what I want this for. I want it on my pack with a nice little pouch so I can keep some extra gear in there. And let's see if it goes in both ways. It does. It's got a nice little click. It's not gonna stay in there. It's not that well formed, but it is double fit with straps. So when it's all fit up, and these always take a bit of time to break in properly. You got to get them wet, you got to get them out there, you got to use them. So with those on, that is a nice sturdy rig. So that would be really nice on front pack strap for quick deployment. So I will have to get back to you on that because this one will go to the field and we'll try this out. What else do we have in here except for popcorn? Whoop. Of course, everything you wanted to know in 4 pages or less about K-bar. Where they were, where they are. It's an interesting little pamphlet. That's a nice one. That's going to go on the wall. That's a nice little insert. Give you some information if you don't already know. Okay, so that is Becker B-16. Quick unboxing, first impressions. And there will be a second follow-up video. Obviously, when I take it out in the field, I'm going to take this on the weekend along with my new pack axe as well. That Cold Steel Trench Hawk is coming with me, and I'm going to put it through its paces along with this Becker. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and please comment. Let me know what you want to see. I may already have it in my collection. Let me know what you don't want to see, and I won't waste your time. Thanks. Stay safe, and hopefully we can go back to work soon. Have a good day.